Alright, hey y'all, how y'all doing? For those of y'all who have been here a while, hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back. For those of y'all clicking on this video, your first video, welcome to the shenanigans, okay? That's why I close my door so y'all don't hear all the shenanigans going on. Yes, we are DATFAMILY5. And I am Atoya, the wife of Douglas, who just walked by, and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. And on today, we'll be doing a closet clean. One of my infamous closet clean. If you've been on this channel for the past 3 years and 2 months, yes, 3 years and 2 months, you will see that this closet gets cleaned probably not so often as it needs to. So, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all where all of my clothes are, and then after that, we're gonna get to doing what we do. What I do on my side, because this is his side. My side is behind here. I pull everything out, pull it to the ground. I take everything out I take everything out of the drawers, pull it to the ground, and I get to sort and putting things where it belongs. That's just how I do things. I pull everything out, and then I put it where it belongs. We're gonna get started. So let's go ahead and roll on into that intro.
I'm scared to take it, oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong.
So a lot of y'all are wondering where I get my music from. I get my music from Epidemic Sound. There is a referral link down in the description box, and we will both get them for free if you go ahead and sign that up. It's about $15.99 a month, or you pay for the year, and that comes out cheaper. Forget how much that is, but yeah. So today I am listening to pop music for your workout because we're gonna get this done. And while we're doing that, that's also gonna be the music actually playing in the video. So, because I'm gonna go ahead and keep track of what the songs are. So yeah, while I'm listening and bopping to it, because y'all know I can't keep still. That's just, you know. Let me go ahead and show y'all my. There's 2 dogs behind me. 2 dogs. Let me show y'all my body, because a lot of y'all been trying to figure out. So far, I've lost 110 pounds since my surgery. Yeah. So this is a shirt that I'll try to find a video with me in this shirt, and I actually stretched the shirt out, but yeah, it's too big. It's way too big. But I like for shirts to kind of hang off me. So yeah. That's what we're gonna do. So we're about to get started on this closet. Play this music.
Yeah. You know, even try to, nobody can match you. Don't you for life. Sexy mind and body, you already got me now. Loving you madly, girl, you might be matching your body. She no even trying, she got it, I be here beside you, anything I got you. You no play, all you do is shut down the runway. Looking dangerous like a gunplay, They all wanna grab you, on you like a tattoo. Hey, don't you fall like, you no even try to, nobody can match you. Don't you fall like, sexy mind and body, you already got me now. Ella no la quiere. Ella no la quiere. Body moving, quiere. She can do it, quiere. Ooh, you're so wild tonight. Waist beats are in motion round our body. When you do it slowly, you take me for a ride, yeah. I go see you through together, baby. You scatter the streets, your vibe is so divine. Don't you fall like, you know even try to, nobody can match you. Don't you fall like, sexy mind and body, you already got me now. Ella no la quiere. Ella no la quiere. Body moving, quiere.
with confidence. When I got we roll like hips and take back sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We not like me. We not shine bright like royalty. We not sticky, but they guarantee. And why? So kind of your neck is cold. You been waiting on me to solve it for me. And last weekend, you had me thinking, oh, must get in and let my head up. Like bum, bum, bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Bum, 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 bum.
Yeah. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Yeah. I can't let him take my soul. No. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. No. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down and pinched. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she pays tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let him take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, no. They thinking I'm bluffing, but I promise I do it. That K got a drum, like murder and booming. We sending you vert, if I get my little Uzi. They thinking I'm crazy, I'm gon' see you the haters. People I'm saying, get what I'm painting. A picture big, I call it little baby. If I'm on the board, then we playing chess. If you on my way, you gon' need a vest. Act big, you might get stretched. All your gun talk, I ain't impressed. My 45 seen real traffic. That's Dallas, Texas. My little partner called a body for a Maserati. He told him get about the car, hit him with the shotty. That 12 gauge, gave him life in the 12th grade. I tried to write him, but we ain't on the same page. I caught him slipping, I just had to let him know. It ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. These demons really out to get you, so you better guard your post. There's certain things I could probably let go, but I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, no. I can't can't let them take my soul.
Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long, want you watch all night, 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 watch all night. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Baby, now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, all your love, all your love. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, baby. Give me all your love, all your love, all your love. All night. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long.
So we are done with the closet clean out. I got rid of some clothes, and I got rid of some stuff that's just not going to be used no more for my side. I'm trying to close this closet. So we are coming to the end of the video, and as always, we are the family that loves life and having fun and giving you the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Thank you so much for spending your precious time with us, because time is precious, and we will see y'all on the tube. Bye, you guys. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? So for those of you who know, y'all know, I'm about to get to this closet. Douglas did partially his size. Who's this? Remy, you gonna say hi to the folk? You gonna open the door? You gonna say hi to the folk? Y'all just open the door on in the... Really? I can't even start my video. Your daddy done came in, then y'all done came in. Lord. Let's try this again. Take two. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 12:50 p.m.
So it's going to take about...
Afternoon.
Alexa, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Here's the joke of the day. How do you turn a mosquito into a fruit?
How?
You squash it.
Okay, that's funny. Okay, it was corny, but it's funny.
I remember all things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another